Hello everyone, today I wanna teach you what is element in HTML. This is P element. It's called element, this one. Whole code, it is called element. This one P means opening tag, and hello, it's called content, and /P, it's closing tag. We have two kinds of element. First one is container element, and the second one empty element. What is container element? Container element means inside the element you have to write a content, but for empty element you don't need to write any content like a BR or exclamation mark and then doc type. All code in HTML, we are dealing with element, and inside the elements we have opening tag and closing tag. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.